So how you guys out here with Levi? He's enjoying this opportunity to sit outside on the screened-in porch on this beautiful day. I wanted to show you guys. Remember the other day I told you I got these candle lanterns from Kohl's. They were on sale for $18.99, but I had a coupon for them. One was actually brass, one was actually gold. But what I did was I taped up the glass on the lanterns, and I got some matte, or not matte. I was looking for matte, and they're sold out. Everybody's doing home decor projects, but I found some flat black spray paint. So I taped them up. Oh, it looks like I gotta get that little spot right there. I'll get it. So I taped it up, and on the inside and the outside, and so it wouldn't get on the glass. And I sprayed them twice, and it dried really quick. And then I had some of that contact paper, y'all, that I had for the table that I did in my bedroom. That marble contact paper from Amazon, and I just measured the inside, laid it down, smoothed it out, and then I took a X-Acto knife and I cut off the excess, and then I used like a credit card to make sure the edges were down flat. And then I found these candles at Ross, and they were $2.49, and they probably will melt out here, but I bought them anyway because I can use them in the bedroom downstairs, and so I put them there. You probably remember, let me zoom in some, that I bought those two silver pots from Ross. One, that small one was $1.99, no, $1.49, and the big one was $2.49. Well, the other day when I was spraying some things outside, I sprayed one of them white, and I liked the way it came out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a way to take that plant out of that pot, rinse that pot out, that silver one, that medium one, and spray it white too. That way all of the plants on this stand will be white, in white pots. I got that plant stand from Bitlot. Pillows from Bitlot. Porch, Sweet Porch was from Kirkland's. Nesting tables came from Walmart. Rug I got from Bitlot. The pillows that are on the gliders that I'm in, I love this glider. The glider came from Big Lots. But like I was saying in my other video, these pillows from Bitlot, I got all three of them. I want to say I paid $40 for all three, maybe 40 or 38, something like that. Even though they are different prints, they're in the same pillow family. So I got contrasting pillows to play around with some prints and to give it some dimension out here. So me and my little buddy Levi, say hi, mama friends. Say hi. Say, you guys, I'll be 8 years old in 2 weeks. And he has on his new shirt that says, I love my mom, because he loved Levi. He don't understand, y'all. He don't understand how easy he has it. He's a pampered dog. But he's been out here all for 2 hours enjoying himself. So, just checking in, watching the men out there. You see them out there playing golf, enjoying the breeze coming off the water. It's a beautiful day. What are you guys doing? Check in. What are you doing?